Dear learners, welcome to my online video class. I hope you are well by the grace of the Almighty Allah. I am Mohammad Mukhtar Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Islamia High School, Tepamadupur, Kaumia, Rangpur. Class 8, Subject English Second Paper, Grammar Part, Unit 7, Lesson 2. Unit 7, Lesson 2 will be discussed tomorrow. Notice these sentences. Karim is sincere to his duties. Karim is not insincere to his studies. First sentence, Karim is sincere to his studies. Second sentence, Karim is not sincere to his studies. I like Bangladeshi food. I do not dislike Bangladeshi food. My dear learners, do you find any sense between first two and last two sentences? Yes or no? I hope yes. Our today's topic, changing sentence from affirmative to negative, transformation of sentences from affirmative to negative. Dear learners, now follow the following texts. Learning outcomes. After the end of the lesson, you will be able to write the definition or transformation of sentences. You will be able to identify the rules of transformation of sentences, transform sentences from affirmative to negative. Now I am giving the definition. What is transformation? Transformation is a process of changing a sentence without changing its real meaning. Transformation is a process of changing a sentence without changing its real meaning. As for example, Arif is a good student. Arif is not a bad student. Both sentences have the same meaning. Both sentences have the same meaning. Now look at the whiteboard. She is a dull student. This is affirmative. The negative will be she is not a meritorious student. Meritorious friend. You can also say she is not a brilliant student. Here, brilliant is equal to meritorious. Yes. The rules of transformation of sentences. Affirmative to negative. Rule 1. Must is replaced with cannot but or cannot help. Must is replaced with cannot but or cannot help. That means in the affirmative sentence we will use must. In the negative sentence we will use cannot but or cannot help. Cannot but or cannot help. Example. Affirmative. We must follow the rules of health. We must follow the rules of health. Negative. We cannot but follow the rules of health. Or we cannot help following the rules of health. If we use cannot but, the verb present form will not be changed. If we use cannot help, we have to write or add ing to the present form of the main verb. That means in case of cannot but, we will write the present form. In case of cannot help, we will write or add ing with the main verb. Rule 2. Only or alone replaced with none but. Only or alone is replaced with none but. In case of person or boy. Only replaced with nothing but in case of thing. My dear learners, if you see God or person, you will use none but. None but. If you see thing, you will use nothing but. Look at the projector screen. Examples. Affirmative. Only Rohim can ride the tree. Only Rohim can ride the tree. Negative. None but Rohim can ride the tree. In this sentence, Rohim is a person, so we have used none but in place of only. the book was found. Nothing but the book was found. In this sentence, the book is a thing, so we have used nothing but in place of only. In this way, you can sense many sentences. Only is replaced with not more or not less than in case of number or age. Example: affirmative, area is only 2. Negative, area is not more than 2. Area is not less than 2. I have only 10 taka. Negative, I have not more than 10 taka. I have not less than 10 taka. I hope you have understood the thing. Now notice the transformation of the following sentences. Only he can drive that car. Rupal took a bag only with him. We must become aware of it. Only he can drive the car. Negative, none but he can drive the car. Rupal took a bag only with him. Rupal took nothing but a bag with him. We must become aware of it. We cannot but become aware of it. My dear learners, now I am going to discuss rule 3, use of both ... and. Both is replaced with not only. Both is replaced with not only, and is replaced with but also. My dear learners, notice, if you find both ... and in the sentence, you will use not only. In place of both, you will use but also in place of and. Examples: affirmative, both Kamal and Jamal were present. Negative, not only Kamal but also Jamal were present. Affirmative, Rohim has money and talent. In this sentence, we cannot find both, but this sentence is correct. Negative, Rohim has not only money but also talent. Though in this sentence we have not used both and, but this sentence will also be changed in the same way. I am showing on the blackboard. He is both singer and dancer. Negative, he is not only singer but also dancer. You can sense many sentences in this way. Notice another sentence. She had wealth and fame. In this sentence we have used only and, but this will also be said in the same way, in the previous way. Notice, she had not only wealth but also fame. My dear learners, now I am going to discuss another rule. Rule 4. Everyone, everybody, every person, every plus common noun, all are replaced by there is no plus attached word plus but. First, the thing may seem difficult, but it will not be difficult if you follow. Example. Every mother loves her child. Every mother loves her child. Negative, there is no mother but loves her child. Look at the blackboard. Every student wants to pass the exam. The negative will be there is no student but wants to pass the examination or exam. Dear learners, if you follow my instruction, you will be able to change the sentence from affirmative to negative. It is my faith. It is my hope. Every king has a crown. Negative, there is no king but has a crown. Now transform the following sentences into negative. He is both a singer and a dancer. Negative. He is not only a singer but also a dancer. Every king has a crown. There is no king but has a crown. Now I am going to discuss rule 5. Always is replaced by never. Affirmative word is replaced by antonym. Look. Affirmative sentence. The ideal always lag behind. Negative. The ideal never progress. Always opposite never. Lag behind opposite progress. I always remember you. I never forget you. Always indicates affirmation, never indicates negation. Rule 6. As soon as is replaced by no sooner had, comma, replaced by then. Example. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. Negative. No sooner had the thief seen the police than he ran away. Rule 7. Auxiliary verb is followed by not. Affirmative word is replaced by antonym. He is a regular student. Negative. He is not an irregular student. Notice, my dear learners, regular opposite irregular, opposite irregular. We have used a because this sentence word begins with consonant. We have used an because the word begins with vowel I. So in this sentence we have used a regular student, and in the second sentence we have used not an irregular student. He was an honest man. He was not a dishonest man. In this sentence, we can see that in the word honest, we have found silent A's. So we have used an honest man. In the second sentence, we have used a dishonest man because the word dishonest begins with consonant D. Now transform the following sentences into negative. His parents always liked her. We believe in Allah. We believe in God. As soon as the students heard the bell, they entered into the class or classroom. Negative. His parents always liked her. His parents never disliked her. Never is opposite to always. Dislike is opposite to like. We believe in Allah. We do not disbelieve in Allah. As soon as the students heard the bell, they entered into the class. Negative. No sooner had the students heard the bell than they entered into class. My dear students, now I am giving homework. Transform the following sentences into negative. She alone lives in this building. Everyone hates a liar. Jim was only 22. Traveling is always welcome. You must obey your parents. I always remember you. Mr. Rashid is a writer and director. As soon as the rain stopped, I went out. My dear learners, thank you all. Stay at home.